In this video, you're going to learn how to create a professional looking YouTube banner just like the one that you see on screen. It's absolutely free to do. It's going to take you less than 5 minutes. And I'm also going to show you a little tip to make sure that you get the dimensions perfect first time. To create your YouTube banner, firstly head over to canva.com, just create a free account and sign up. Then once inside, you want to come across and click on more here. And what we want to do is really use one of the YouTube channel art templates in order to make our YouTube banner. You can see on the left here, there are a lot of different banners that you can just use as templates to really get you started. So here's one that I like, and all I have to do is drag and drop it in. And now I can edit this to really suit it to my own YouTube channel. Now you may see, as in this example, there's a background image that is a paid image, but it's very easy to remove that or to replace it. What I'm going to do is actually go ahead and use one of my uploaded images. You can upload these from Facebook or you can upload them from your computer, and you just want to really drag and drop that in place of the paid image, and the paid image will be removed if it is there. Now I want to go ahead and start to edit this text. So my YouTube channel is not going to be about gaming. Let's just imagine it's about photography. And I can go ahead and change the name as well. So it's very easy to edit the text. You can edit the colors as well just by clicking on it and then clicking to any colors that you want. I think the orange looks pretty good, so I'm just going to keep that. Click on the text once again to remove it or to edit it as you want. I'm just going to remove this word because I don't think it really is necessary. I can reposition the text if I want. Just click on it, move it up. If I want to darken the background image a little bit, I can just click on the image, come up and make the transparency a little bit less so that text is really popping out just a little bit more. One thing that you do have to be careful with YouTube banners is the dimensions. You need to make sure it's going to fit across all different devices, desktop, mobile, TV, etc. To test the dimensions, what I recommend you do is to download the image that I've linked in the description of this video and upload it here into Canva. It'll appear once you upload it like this here, and then you just want to take it and move it across and hover it over the banner that you've created. It's a little bit hard to see here, but you'll notice that there is a darker section to this template when I hover it over, and that's really where I want to get all of my text into, so it's going to be shown properly. Now I recommend you don't actually put it on the image because it can be hard to get rid of it, but just hovering it like this is the quick test. So I can see that that definitely is not going to fit. So what I'm going to do is just select the text and all this and really bring it down to a much smaller size. Reposition it in the center. Now I can hover this over again, still a little bit too big. So I'm going to take this again and move this down. Center it once again, and the final test. It looks like we're all good, although I may even just do it one more time. There we go. Once you're happy with that, you just want to click on download and the PNG file, and then upload that into YouTube. Now it's your turn. Head into canva.com and use one of the templates to create your YouTube banner for free in less than 5 minutes.